The boundary surface feature puts high-quality surfacing into the hands of all Onshape users. The boundary surface approach uses sets of curves from each direction, the U and the V direction, to form a four-sided closed surface with options to specify boundary conditions such as tangency matching, normal to profile, and more. First, create the wireframe for your geometry. This typically includes the purpose-built 3D curve tools or groups of sketches. Then start defining the boundary surface by selecting edges or curves, optionally specifying boundary conditions that make sense for the situation. Turning on curvature analysis tools will help you understand how the surfaces blend via curvature combs, control point grids, curvature mapping, and zebra stripes. The boundary surface is an excellent choice for situations that demand precise control. In this case, we create a rounded edge that could have been accomplished with a fillet, but in industrial and consumer product design, there are many considerations for how geometry should come together in the most pleasing way cosmetically and for manufacturing. Here, we can create a surface that blends just the way we want, adjusting the magnitude of the sides of the boundary surface to get the effect that we're looking for. One thing to note, the loft feature and fill feature are capable features and may be more appropriate in certain situations. For example, the fill tool will create an n-sided patch, 3 or 5 edges for example, but it may be prone to pinch points in some cases because of the math involved. See the difference in surface continuity in this particular example using the Onshape compare screen. The flexibility of Onshape's surface design toolkit, which now includes boundary surface, will provide Onshape users the means to build great looking product designs using a modern and agile design approach.